Hello everyone, welcome back to Glossybox UK's YouTube channel. I'm Rebecca Jones and I'm the Senior Social Media Executive here at Glossybox UK, and every single month we deliver to you a full unboxing video of each monthly box. We also unbox all the limited editions and you can find all of them up to now over on our YouTube channel. Now as you can see, this is actually my favourite time of year. It is my ultimate favourite time of year. Any excuse to get any autumnal products out, such as pumpkins, wood, get the log fire on, pumpkin spice lattes, iced coffees, you name it, everything I physically love about this time of year will be in the backdrop of this video, because I'm here to show you September's monthly box. Now, I can't believe we're in September. I know I say this every single month, but when I film these videos the month prior, I forget actually how quick it comes round, and it comes round so incredibly fast. But I can honestly say this year has been incredible in terms of products, which you probably will all agree. We're in the month of Advent as well. So our Advent calendar, if you're watching this now, has officially launched. So if you're watching this on the first day of the month, it does launch today. If you're watching this later on in the year, you might have not got your hands on it. So I'm hoping you have watched this on the day it launches and you've been able to get your hands on it. Now, this month's box is a beauty. It has a bag and it also has a product from a brand we've never included in Glossy before. So it's very, very exciting. And I'm going to be going through all of the products and how to apply them throughout this video. But first things first, let's talk about the box itself. Now, it's not coming in a glossy box this month because it's coming in this absolutely beautiful, very on theme, very lifestyle, very autumnal, very September nude bag. Now, this cosmetics bag, it's got a waffle texture, which I absolutely love about this. It's going to be fantastic for travel. It's going to be brilliant if you just want it sitting on your bedside table or your bathroom shelf. It just looks beautiful, great in your handbag. And this comes in replacement of your pink Glossybox. Now, this month's box is worth £62 and includes 5 products. All of them are full size, every single one. And I'm so excited to show you them all. We've got a mixture of skincare, we've got makeup, we've got tools, a bit of everything, and I'm going to go through them right now. Now, I'm going to go in order of the products, starting from skincare, going into makeup, so you can see the full transition of the look. And the first product, which is a brand first for Glossybox in full size, and I'm so excited to share with you, we've got a full feature of nothing other than Byoma. Bioma, and not just Byoma. We've got their sensitive retinol oil. Now, for anyone that's unsure of what retinol is a vitamin A based ingredient, which is fantastic for helping reverse the signs of aging, helping with texture on the skin, absolutely fantastic for reversing the signs of aging, but also prevention of aging at the same time. It's just an all-round fantastic product if you're really wanting to help improve the appearance of your complexion in quite quick time. Now, what I love about the Bioma one is that it's a very gentle form of retinol, which is fantastic for anyone with sensitized skins or anyone that hasn't used a retinol before and you're wanting to start your retinol journey. Now, with the Bioma retinol oil, it's actually classed as a retinoid, which means, again, it's very, very much more gentle than your regular retinol, like serums, for example. It's rich in squalane and it also has your soybean oils, which is fantastic for helping to improve and support your barrier function, meaning that if you do have sensitive skin or you do have rosacea, you'll find that this is going to really help just actually calm that and really give you an overall more even complexion. I have been using this prior to this video. Can honestly say it is a beautiful product. It doesn't feel too heavy on the skin. It's actually still quite lightweight, even though it's incredibly nourishing. But yeah, I'm going to show you the texture anyway and see what you think yourselves. But I would definitely say if you're new to your retinol journey, you're going to love this product. Now, as you can see, it's a very lightweight oil. So even though it is an oil texture, it is very lightweight. It's not sticky at all. It's not too heavy. And again, on the skin, it feels incredible. It's really important that your skin is completely cleansed and toned prior to applying this product. And ideally, you would apply this at night time. Where it is a retinol and it's got your vitamin A, even though it is suitable for sensitive skin, it is a little bit more intense than your normal day-to-day serums and oils. So we'd always recommend you use this at night time, and then the following morning make sure you're following up with an SPF on the top of your moisturizer. So you would cleanse, you tone. Even if you're using a mist, a face mist, you'd use that. Wait till your skin's completely dry, and then you'd go in with 2 to 3 drops. Now it is a pipette, and again, you would just go in with 3 drops of that. Really warm it up in the hands, gently press it into the skin. Taking any excess down the neck and the décolleté as well. And it is literally as simple as that. So you'd cleanse, tone, apply this. You'd go in with your moisturizers, and then the next day I would follow it up with a moisturizer and an SPF as well. But again, all around fantastic evening product if you're wanting to help with evening of the skin tone, if you're wanting to help with radiance, aging on the skin. It's just an all around fantastic oil, and I'm so excited to see what you all think of it. So that is one full-size product straight in my cosmetics bag. Next up is from a brand that we have featured prior. We've featured a few times, but you absolutely love it. So it would make sense on this occasion that we would feature it, but in full size. And it's the Dr. Pawpa Original Balm. Now, I can't remember the last time we actually featured the full size of this product, but you all absolutely love it. You love it, and I don't blame you, because it is an all-round multi-use, multi-purpose balm. Now, for anyone that's unaware of what you can use this balm on or for, I'm about to tell you, because it's a lot. Now, where do I start? You can use this on your lips. You can use it through your brows. You can use it on flyaways. You can use it on dry patches such as eczema. You can use it on insect bites. You can use it around the nose if it's dry. I like to use it on my elbows and my knees because I get very dry there, and I apply tan. It tends to cling to those areas. We've all been there. We're all there all the time. This really helps with that. It's an all-round, multi-use, multi-purpose, 360 all-rounder product. And one thing I will say about this as well, if you've got children, keep one of these in your first aid kit. I have one of these in the first aid kit, and I can't swear about it enough. If they've got a bit of a graze, I literally just put a little bit over it and then pop on a plaster. Don't get me no means, I'm not a doctor, but it is good just for that healing and that protective barrier. It's also rich in the antioxidant ingredient Pawpa, which is where Dr. Pawpa comes from. It is an ingredient that's actually rich in antioxidants. So again, it's really good for helping to fade any appearance of scarring on the skin also. Now, just a little side note, this was actually used in Bridgerton. So this was actually featured in some of the makeup artists and the cast makeup kits, as it was just really good for helping to keep the lips nourished, hydrated, and it also gives a subtle glow as well, which is really interesting. Now, I'm actually going to show you just how easy it is to apply this product. As you can see, it's like a rich textured balm. I like to just take a little bit of this, pop some on my lips. It's so good as a lip balm. If you really struggle with dry lips, this is fantastic. I like to apply a little bit through the brows. I like to laminate the brows a little bit with this. It helps with just like softening and conditioning the brows, making them look more full, which I absolutely love. You can literally apply some in flyaways. I get a tiny bit and just like literally pop it. As you can see, just eliminates any flyaways. I like to use it around the nose, especially if I'm applying makeup and I want it to last a bit longer, because it helps to just rehydrate and seal around that nose area. Again, I like to apply it on my elbows. It's just an all-around fantastic product. And I think if you're someone that just feels like they just need something on the go, maybe you're a busy parent, maybe you're someone who suffers themselves with dryness or sensitized skins, just having this in your handbag, your nappy bag, etc., your travel bag is an absolute godsend. I like to have one of these on my desk just because it does get quite air conditioning. It's been hot lately. It does get quite clammy in the office. This has been great for the lips, like fantastic. So yeah, couldn't recommend it enough if you can't already tell, and it's a brilliant addition to this month's box. I'll pop that in there. Now we have still got 3 products left. We've got 2 makeup items and a tool. So I'm going to go off, do my makeup and my base and my complexion off camera, come back, and then I'll show you the rest of the bag's contents. So I've just done my makeup off camera, so I'm now about to show you the 3 remaining products in this month's September glossy bag. Now the first one is a makeup item, and it's from a company called Luxe, and it's their highlighter. Now I'm a big fan of highlighters, especially powder highlighters. I still use them in my day-to-day routine, so I'm really interested to see what this one looks like. So Luxe are known for their highlighting products, and today I'm showing you the Rose Quartz highlighter. Now this is full size, and this again will come in the shade for everyone. So let's have a little look at how it looks on the skin. Now I personally like to use my fingers for highlighter, and I like to go on the nose and the cheekbone when it comes to highlighting products. I'm just using my middle finger and I'm just applying it. Yep, so the pigment is definitely there. And I'm just applying this down the bridge of the nose. I just kind of like that real nice just pop of highlight down the center of the face, just to draw the attention to the center. I also like to apply it here on the high points of the cheekbone. Now as you can see, that pigment has come up straight away, which is fantastic because I love a pigmented highlighter. I don't like to be pressing it on the skin too much. It is very subtle though, which I like. I don't like too much of a real prominent highlighter. Some of them can be really, really intense, which is fine if that's what you prefer. But personally, I like quite a natural day-to-day highlight that I can just apply on the high points of my complexion, my collarbones, my brow bone, just to give that pop of glow. If you do want to apply it to the brow bone, you literally just press it right there underneath that arch. Again, really subtle, but really does make such a big difference in terms of highlighting key features of the complexion. You could also use this on the eyes in the center to give like that halo finish effect to your eyeshadow look. And you can also use it on the Cupid's bow as well, anywhere you really want to make those features stand out. Now next up, I am going to be showing you 2 products in one. The first one being our glossy branded, as you can see, compact mirror. Now I love a mirror. Mirrors are something that you should always have on you. It's just for convenience. This is fantastic to keep in your clutch bag, your handbag, your travel case. It's just good to have on you at all times. Now the reason why we've paired this up with a lip glow is because it just 2 comes in one. Who actually can say and sit there and put on a lip product? We all like to look in the mirror when we're applying lip products, and this is the perfect duo. Now the actual lip oil glow is from Glow Core, and their lip glow oil is absolutely beautiful, non-sticky textured lip oil that's going to give that ultra shine and gloss to the lips. Now I'm going to use my mirror to do this as well, because again it's convenience there and in this month's box bag. But as you can see, oh, it's so beautiful. Now, I am a sucker when it comes to a clear lip gloss, lip oil. I absolutely love pairing it with like a darker lip liner to give like that 90s vibe. I've always been a massive fan of clear glosses, especially oils, because this one in particular is so not sticky at all. It's not sticky at all. It feels incredibly smoothing on the lips. It feels really hydrating. yeah, absolutely stunning product. And again, fantastic as a pairing up with our Glossybox merch. Now that is this month's bag of goodies. So just a quick recap, we have your full size Bioma sensitive retinol oil, which is our absolute star of the show this month. Our first time ever including Byoma within our monthly lineup. So we're really excited to hear and see what you think of this. We've also got your full-size Dr. Pawpa Original Balm. Again, fantastic for putting through the brows, on the lips as a lip balm, helping with dry patches. Anywhere, basically, you want to give a protective barrier. We've also got the St. Luxe highlighter, fantastic on the high points of the complexion, such as the nose, the cheekbones, the brow bone. Again, fantastic as your day-to-day makeup routine, but can be builded up for more of an intense highlight in the evening. And then we've got your Glossybox merch, which is our beautiful Glossybox labelled compact mirror alongside Glowcore's Beauty Lip Glow Oil. Now this lip glow oil again is fantastic for giving that non-sticky, real high shine finish on the lips. Perfect for all year round on its own or over the top of your lipstick. And it comes in this absolutely beautiful tonal, very autumnal makeup bag. Now, you really liked when I teased the following month's product at the end of the last month. So I thought I'm going to do it again. And again, we're coming in strong, guys and girls. We're coming in strong with another sneak peek for October. Now, October is my favourite month. And what is so apt about this is that it's also featuring one of my favourite hair care brands. And it's nothing other than Colour Wow. Colour Wow! Colour Wow is going to be featured in next month's box. I'm not going to go into too much detail about this product, but it is the Dream Cocktail, which is one of their best-selling hair care products. And I can tell you that this is going to be your first sneak peek for October's box. But in the meantime, ensure that you are subscribing if you haven't already, because not just that, you will also get exclusive discount to nothing other than our advent calendar. So if you are a subscriber, you will get discount on our 2025 advent calendar. So subscribe today to get £62 worth of products for as little as £12.50, and you will also save money on our beautiful, stunning advent calendar. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. It's always a pleasure chatting to you all. Please comment below if you've ordered the advent calendar, comment below if you're loving this month's content, and comment below if you have subscribed on the back of this video. So excited to see all your comments in regards to what you think of the products. And other than that, happy September. Enjoy your pumpkin spice lattes. And yeah, we'll check in very soon. Bye.